Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a question for you with regard to this SARD blow off valve. As you can see, this is SARD blow off valve. Okay, actually I just got it online, shipped directly from Japan. So, but I wondering how this BOV valve sound. I did some research on YouTube, but I cannot find any video that showed how this BOV sound. Most of the video will show the latest model of SARD BOV valve, which is R2D2 SARD blow off. Alright, but as now I can't find any video with relate to this blow off valve. So if you guys got any info on this one, please assist me by leave a comment below, or maybe you can share the video related to this valve. Thank you very much guys. Hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.